Do you think that when it comes to deciding who to vote for, that abortion should be one of the top things to consider?
Up near the top, maybe not the first thing, but certainly yes. God created that baby, and I don't think we have the right to murder it. To me, abortion is murder. And unfortunately, I think some women use abortion as what am I trying to say?
Birth control?
Birth control, yes, yes.
And is this one of the reasons why you're supporting this candidate that the group is advocating for?
Because he's pro-life, yes, yes. Pro-life has my vote.
A year after the U.S. Supreme Court overturned its 1973 Roe v. Wade decision protecting the federal right to an abortion, activists who oppose the procedure continue to campaign across the country and seek further restrictions.
I was ecstatic. It wasn't something that I think I expected to see as soon as it came, and I was overjoyed.
But you still keep on campaigning?
Oh, absolutely. That was just the beginning, and I think it's really important to inform people and have these conversations and keep this conversation going.
Volunteers with the group Students for Life Action knock on residents' doors as they campaign for a Republican candidate in a local primary election in Virginia who calls himself 100% pro-life.
And I will continue to be.
That's wonderful to hear.
Because I'm Catholic, for one thing, and you know, that's up to God. Now, I do differ with the Catholic Church in that if it's rape or incest or life of the mother,
Right.
I would feel differently about that and have to really consider the circumstances.
What did you feel?
They're like, there she goes. We figured you'd find us eventually. Okay, so I'm thinking I'm gonna take.
It does have a secret pocket in the back where I can put cash.
It's Spanish. Wait, what?
Just went to, and so I'm assuming if we keep walking down that way, it's just that section. So I think we turn and walk this way now.
Let me see.
Okay.
So that's this. So that way.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah. Again, the best way to prevent getting pregnant is don't have sex. Now, if that option is taken away from a woman through rape, incest, or something like that, again, that's horrible. And I think whoever is responsible for that, who does it, they should be sent to jail immediately. But I would say that having an abortion is just another evil on top of the evil that's already been committed. And I would say that
Was in that situation where I had to decide.
All right, so 14.3.
It's one of those, I don't think it's black and white. I think it's a very gray subject, and it has to be looked at as a case by case. You just can't say that, you know, Uncle Larry comes home drunk and rapes your daughter. What are you going to do? Say you can't have an abortion? No, you're not going to say that. You're going to think because you always believe that a woman had a right to get pregnant or not get. If it's, like I said, if it's a law's been broken, sure. But if it's just got drunk Saturday night and forgot to take the pill, you know, I'm sorry, you got to think a little bit farther ahead.
And I think that's the case with a lot of elections, and will be in the next year or so. Seems to be up there for most people. Hey there, how are you? Sorry to make your dog start barking. Oh, okay. Have a good rest of your day.